Jess here with Digital Empire, and welcome to Affiliate Escape Plan Review. Legit or a scam? We're going to find out. So in this video, we will dive in and discover insights into the Affiliate Escape Plan Review with Brian Brewer and Is It Legit? We're going to have a full comprehensive review so that you can make an informed decision. We're going to be going over what it is, who it's for, who created it, how does it work, the cost, the pros and the cons, and the final verdict. If you like videos about internet marketing, please press the like button and subscribe today. For full transparency, I am not an affiliate of this program, but be sure to stay until the end so that you can make an informed decision, and I have a free gift for you. Who is this course for? Let's jump right in. The program is for the business owner who wants to learn how to build their online business with affiliate marketing. There's strategies like SEO, techniques, marketing plans, emails, marketing skills. It includes optimization and conversion techniques that you will learn. So what is the Affiliate Escape Plan? It's a course that has a blueprint that helps individuals looking to start an affiliate business. There's a blueprint that is offered for leveraging the course and marketing skills. This is done in a step-by-step format, and these are tips that are taught in the program in conjunction with a timeline to give you a goal on the way. The program teaches students to leverage platforms such as TikTok and YouTube, and the business model sets up the students to establish a following in the hopes to prompt the model to help lead the customers into actually becoming customers. And so who created this course? Brian Brewer. He's a successful affiliate business marketer for sure. And he has been working in this business in affiliate marketing since 2012, and he has had significant achievements over that time. Brian has achieved 7-figure status by promoting platforms as Shopify and Legendary Marketer programs. He's earned several marketing rewards, and he has established connections with companies such as Udemy and other affiliated marketing businesses. So who would this be for ideally? This course would be for the beginner affiliate marketer. The course, it offers step-by-step plans. It helps you build the foundation and eventually scaling in the future. The Affiliate Escape Plan also caters to a diverse audience, making it accessible and beneficial to various individuals. It's ideal, especially for the beginner though, and it helps with key foundational aspects. Now, it also helps the seasoned affiliate marketer, and it offers advanced strategies such as leveling up part of the course. The leveling up course, part of the course, it teaches techniques that are connected to fine-tuning what you have already and expanding the skills that you already know. The thing is that for the seasoned entrepreneurs, what you'll promote, the driving force is to promote the Affiliate Escape Plan itself. And so after learning the model, the students can promote other high-ticket items and services down the road, but they will be focusing on the Affiliate Escape Plan itself. So now let's kind of take a dive in and look closer at what's inside the course. Now, this is about traffic. It focuses on the importance of organic traffic, where, on several platforms such as TikTok and Facebook, they talk about having a 3-day sell. And then there's a scale challenge. And so this offers the beginners friendly introduction into affiliate marketing in just 3 days. And so it provides a step-by-step guide to build a strong foundation. It helps you nail down your niche and set up a funnel and an online presence to help build marketing, and then finding your niche and just setting all that up, all the tech stuff about that. Number 4 is to organize sales and marketing social media and converting, cold or warm potential clients into actual buying customers. And there's online monthly coaching. So how much does the Affiliate Escape Plan actually cost? So it's a one-time payment of $997 or monthly payments of $149 for 10 months, totaling $1,490. So additionally, there are a few minimal extra expenses, $10 per year for a domain and around $20 per month for an email autoresponder. And so the refund policy, now here's where it's a little bit difficult here. The refund policy has no strict refund policy under any circumstances without exception. And so this means that refunds are not provided for any reason at all, period. And so the reviews of the escape plan, now it's clear that the course in the checkout page that there has been positive results for some students, and it's clear that they've had significant success. But nonetheless, it's worth noting that the number of stories seems limiting, considering that the membership has over 31,500 members. So the evidence of showing students promoting other affiliate offers begs into question how successful it really is for such a high price tag and for so many people not coming forward to talk about that. So ultimately, I think that it could lead to success with hard work. But, is the affiliate escape plan legit? That the success of the affiliate escape plan really depends on what you want to get out of it and how hard you're willing to work for a program, for this program or any program for that matter. But the price tag is $997, and depending on your goals, you may or may not get what you want out of it. That's important to note. And if you're committing to building and being fully committed to the business, it could be a good investment. However, it's also important to note that if you don't mind the multi-level marketing, which has an MLM undertone, then it could be a good fit for you because, again, you're promoting the product itself later on down the road. So you want to keep that in mind about the MLM thing. So there are other programs that give a refund after 30 days and are more cost effective for you to invest in, I think. And so the verdict is that the affiliate escape plan offers valuable affiliate marketing training, but it comes at a high price, and MLM associations may not make it the best choice for everyone. So you have to consider your goals and budget friendly and being careful after deciding to invest in this program. So I hope this was helpful. Overall, I do think there are other ways to make money online. So as promised, here is my link to my free gift. So let me just explain some of the advantages of affiliate marketing. And actually, I've sort of explained it in this video, but affiliate marketing, you can be working with companies that offer products or services that align with your interests. They promote the products and services where a commission is earned. And the affiliate marketing is the easiest and fastest online business model. And it's perfect for people wanting to start an online business. And so a few benefits of that would be included to be working on a laptop anywhere in the world, working at your own time, which I love. This is one thing about affiliate marketing that I really love. And if you're a struggling mom or you're a struggling single person or you're, whatever your situation is, affiliate marketing could really be a good fit for you because you can work from anywhere you want to and work on your own time. For most affiliate, like high ticket affiliate marketing, that's not MLM related, there can be a low cost startup with no overheads or product management, and you don't have to stock products for sales and ads like you would in Amazon. And you can you can automate your business with earning potential. And so it's really, affiliate marketing in and of itself is good. You just have to find the right affiliate marketing program that's high ticket. So I hope you enjoyed that. Press this link below in the pinned comments under this video to get your cheat sheet to 3 proven steps on quitting your 9-to-5 job with high ticket affiliate marketing. So